Hey guys, Daniel Grom, PDR Tool Time, and I've got a little unboxing to do. Got a little package from our friends at Edgy Tools, and I gotta love these guys. Dave's a great guy, and let's just open this up. Let's see what we have in here, because I think I know what some of this is. Let's see what the first one. Bam! We've got the Edgy Tool C-Cup dipped. C-Cup dip. Alright, check this out. This is the first time I'm seeing it. And show it on my other camera. And let's unwrap this baby. Well, let's get that other stuff out. Why don't we get them all out? What else do we have? Alright, I've got the D-Cup. D-Cup here. Big flat face. And what else? What else we got? I think there's a few more surprises. We've got the B cup in plastic, which I thought maybe I already had this one, but maybe I don't. Maybe it's flatter, but in plastic. And then we've got the A cup. This is kind of cool. This is real low profile, and that can come in really handy sometimes. Having something really low profile. So, and then he's got the little covers that go on that. So, but which one do I want to open first? I'm going to go with the D cup. The D cup catches my attention for sure. And rip this baby open. Pull it out. Alright. So mirrored finish. It's got some nice weight to it. It's really heavy. So alright, you can see it in my other camera. Really nice. Mirrored finish. I'm looking at it, and it looks dead on flat to me. Where like the one I have is definitely not perfectly flat. It's got a little bit of a dome to it. So this will be interesting. Nice size. I don't have anything this size, so I am very intrigued with this. What's great about all the Edgy tips is he has this chamfer for this O-ring to sit down, so the O-ring doesn't squeeze out. Really nice feature. It's got some side beveling, so you can put a wrench on it and really tighten it down, crank it down, so it's not going to come loose. Like I said before, it's got some weight to it. All right, so that's our first one. Let's rip into our second one here. I love ripping this open. That new tip smell. And this one's dipped. And let's see it here. And it's pretty flat. Got a little bit of a dome to it. And if I compare it in size, you can see it's a little bit smaller. Okay, so those are the two tips. Let's go to the A. Let's rip this guy open. Dave's got really nice packaging, by the way. These tips, you know, they're not cheap, but they're the highest quality you can get for sure. It doesn't skim on anything. And this is just a nice little low profile. And I'm going to say there's going to be some times that this is going to come in handy, I think. I've been doing a lot of tips on sword tools, and the nice thing about that is you do need a low profile tip a lot of the times if you're working in a front fender, and that can come in handy to have for sure. And then last but not least, the B cup in plastic. Rip this guy open. Now, I want to say this one's been out for a while. I'm pretty sure I have had this one. Yeah, I've already had this one. And it comes with the little pasties, I think he calls them. And each color is a different hardness or softness to it. So you pick what you like and try them out. But this is a fantastic tip. I use this a lot on motorcycles because the paint tends to be a lot softer and you're hitting down some big crowns, and this is my go-to tip for that for sure. All right, well, I'm most excited probably about the D cup. This is going on my hammer on Monday, and I'm going to be trying this guy out and seeing what I think. I don't know what the prices are on this yet. I literally just got them in the mail today, so I haven't been on the website, but I will find out for you, and we'll talk about them on the show probably next week or the week after, and let you know what we think of these. But so far, digging the quality. Good job, Dave at Edgy Tools. Thank you.